Okay, so now we have gotten to Las Paylas. Las Paylas water slide. It's a place that I've wanted to come to for a long time, and now we're finally going to do it, so we're going to check it out. Wow. Alright, so I'm currently here in Las Paylas water slide. Awesome, refreshing water. And we have to basically go up that way. Oh! And that was not so heavy, I just slipped.
That was the push I needed.
How was it? Did it hurt? No?
Yeah, I'll do it again.
Slide area. If you walk to the right, you will end up in this beautiful part of the river where you can actually swim, you can throw yourself into the water. It's really nice.
I was gonna say, is there a floating camera?
That's a GoPro. Yeah.